G'day explorers, and welcome to week 1 of Safari Prep, where we'll help you gear up for your Museum Alive adventure on September 29th. Today, we're creating expedition binoculars so you can spy all the gorgeous wildlife. We'll show you both a simple version and one where you can add your own artistic touch. You'll find a supply list in the comments below. Ready, mates? Let's get crafting. First off, that simple version. Take your single hole punch and punch a single hole in each of your toilet paper rollers. Then position the rollers with the holes opposite each other and add one strip of tape around one end and another strip of tape around the other. Add your piece of yarn, a string or ribbon, whatever you have, and tie it one end to each of your holes, just like so, and voila! You have binoculars for your expedition. Now this next one here is for those explorers who want to add your own artistic touch. So go ahead and grab your colored piece of paper, and then you're going to make a mark where your toilet paper roller is, just so you know how big it is. Go ahead and fold your paper over, and that'll just be your cut line. Then grab a marker or a crayon or whatever you like, and go ahead and draw some fun safari-like patterns or whatever you want to do. I did some fun stripes and polka dots like that. Remember that one end of your paper will probably be covered up, so you don't need to do the whole strip. Go ahead and check it out. It looks good. Add some glue and then roll your paper onto your toilet paper roller, just like so. Go ahead and secure it nicely and repeat with your second roller. And there you have it. Now you look, the parts of the paper that you can see, go ahead and we'll put those up against each other like so. And then take one strip of wider tape in this one and secure them together. Punch a hole on either side just like we did before. Tie on your ribbon or string, cut off the excess if you'd like. Tie the other side. Bada bing, bada boom, there you go. Your very own expedition binoculars. Then you gotta take them out into your own wilderness and give them a go. Now what will we see out here? Oh, some beautiful greenery. Is there any wildlife? What was that? Oh, crikey. Simply gorgeous. Look at that beauty. Hey there, boy. What else can we find out here in nature? Let's take a look. Any birds in the trees? No, not today. What is that? Oh, Oklahoma WONDERtorium. And we hope to see you soon at Museum Alive on September 29th. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for a new craft.